Aurovue EV Toric preloaded IOL. Now precision and stability has a new gold standard. Dual haptic design for exceptional, rotational stability and adaptability. Normal vision. Natural lens provide clear vision. Cataract vision. Vision starts to look cloudy. Astigmatism with cataract vision. Vision starts to look blurred and distorted. Normal monofocal IOL corrects only cataract. Patient needs spectacles for astigmatism correction. Aurovue EV Toric IOL treats corneal astigmatism at the same time that it corrects cataracts. Enjoy spectacle independence for distance vision with enhanced image quality. Conventional spherical IOL. Aurovue EV Toric with aspheric optic for better vision in dim light conditions. Enhanced contrast sensitivity and depth of focus. Better color perception and optical clarity. Glistening-free optic avoids unexpected glare after surgery. TruEdge technology prevents the occurrence of secondary cataracts. Thank you.